what Mobile sound is the Blokk?
Mobile ain't got no sound.
You still say they ain't got no sound? With your Rollo?
Mobile ain't got no specific sound. I wouldn't say.
I'm saying, why you want to say they got a specific sound? You got to think. I mean,
if you gonna say Mobile got a sound,
I'm saying the punchline, like
you gotta say like C now and shit like that. That's Mobile sound.
What?
That's the Mobile sound.
But he punchline. He was the first out punchline king.
That's true. That's true.
And then you got, I'm saying, who leading the thing right now? From Mobile, right? No Cap, punchline. Rollo, punchline. Blue had some punchlines in his shit when he started out.
But that ain't, I mean, that's the new sound. Like, that's a new sound that just came out. That's a new sound that eventually came out from the world. That ain't a sound that was created in Mobile. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's why I'm saying, I would say, like, the old C-Nile.
It's punchline, they got better.
Big and shit like that.
They had punchlines. They had punchlines. It evolved though. Blokk.
I wouldn't say like that's a Mobile sound. I still feel like that.
Alright. I don't know what you mean.
Like, I'm just saying.
You saying we ain't got no sound. So would you classify Rollo and No Cap?
I wouldn't say that's Mobile sound though. Like, you see, I wouldn't say that's Mobile sound.
It different from Baton Rouge.
Yeah, Louisiana got a whole different sound from anybody in the South.
Kodak got a whole different sound, right?
Most of the artists, like in Atlanta.
So you saying that ain't our sound?
It ain't.
Punchline? Every punchline in Mobile though.
Lil Wayne been doing punchlines forever though.
But not like how he wasn't punching that, he was writing though.
Lil Wayne never wrote.
So we ain't got so we gotta find our sound.
Jay-Z.
I'm saying so we gotta find our sound.
Jay-Z and Lil Wayne created that punching with the punchlines.
But I'm saying, so you gonna take so Honeycomb them sound like somebody else?
I wouldn't say Honeycomb and sound like. I wouldn't say. I don't fuck my words up. Like put it like this: Honeycomb and Big Yabo got the same sound.
Man,
you see what I'm saying?
I
know that, but I'm saying that's not that sound and Captain them sound is not the same sound. So that's why I'm saying Mobile don't have a specific sound.
So we gotta find our sound.
I wouldn't say we gotta find our sound. Like niggas in the industry now, like the doors open. Do your thing. Mobile just don't have a specific sound. Like
the accent alone. But hold on. Cause you was a battle rapper, right? And then you from New Orleans. So you saying the nigga from New Orleans can say the same thing in the same way Captain can say
it? No. The niggas in Atlanta can and Mississippi, like I record a lot of like niggas got the same sound in Atlanta.
But who they copying? Who they copying? They copying up. So
I don't feel like nobody copying nobody. It's just the era of music we in right now. That's how I feel like. It's the era of music we in right now.
I don't know, let's roll with that.
That's what I would say. Mobile don't got a specific